Today's video, I'm sharing with you a patio makeover on a budget with some of the Ikea products that I got. So join me in this video on how to decorate a small apartment patio on a budget. So here is the before. Got Zoe, my kitty cat, under there. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Lisa Hice with Pause, Pray, and Simplicity. I love sharing just ways to decorate on a budget, live on a budget, and also grow in our faith. So right now, this is the current state of the patio. So this rug is definitely needing to go. It's pretty gross and dirty. And so I've got just a few decorations. They fell on the floor, and so I've got some plant things that I need to kind of declutter, go through. Zoe likes to come out here. This patio set I actually got at Fred Meyer's, I think 2 or 3 years ago. Super cozy and comfortable, but on that bike, I just have not used it in a long time, so I'm not quite sure if I'm going to hold on to it or not. Otherwise, I need to make sure to store it. I want to store it in my storage unit if I can. So if not, it will stay out here because it's a little bit bigger. So here's the before, the current state. I got that organic Miracle Grow dirt at Costco. So I want to do some planting, and got a few things from Costco and also from Ikea. Okay, so I just cleared everything off. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so glad I got rid of that rug. When I pulled it up, there was mold, so something to kind of think about, kind of look at the quality or just what your rugs or outdoor mats and stuff are looking like, especially after winter time. Mold is so not good for our bodies, so I'm so glad I threw that out. Just did a little cleaning up. I'm gonna wipe this all down and then redo it and decorate. So here's kind of in the middle. I gotta wipe and clean a little bit more, but progress. Part of the reset and kind of makeover of my patio, I've got a couple of seeds that I'm gonna go ahead and plant. I've got some spinach, some California poppy and patience, some dill and spinach, and then also I want to do some cilantro and a couple more herbs. I just need to get a couple more. So I got these little I don't know what they're called, but I got these at the dollar store to be able to label, kind of a label for what the item is. So I'm going to use my label maker here to go ahead and put labels on what I'm planting. So this is kind of fun. So stay tuned. Right, here is the after. So this patio makeover, kind of a refresh for late spring, early summer, was done on a budget and with a lot of the things that I already had. So before you go out shopping, kind of go through and shop your house. What do you have for decorations? What plants do you already have, and pots and storage, things like that. So I'll give you a quick little tour. So this little mat, I'll start at the beginning. So this mat, I actually got at Ikea for $15. I thought it was really cute. It was in the area where it's you can't return, and it was $15 versus so much more money. So I thought that was a perfect little just accent, and the color, plus I can wash this, so it's a really great little material. Oh, it's always hanging out underneath, so I can wash it through the season, so that'll be really nice. And then up here I just got a couple of placemats. These are off of Amazon, so I'll put a link. It was four for $9.99, but I thought they were really cute. These little placemats I already had. I got those at Walmart along with a lot of this stuff. This I got from Ikea a couple of years ago, and I just recycle it throughout the house and when I'm decorating, which is just something I highly suggest doing, is just holding on to a few decor items, and then it's kind of fun to reuse them in different spaces. And then that little light over there, that's actually an Ikea item that I got a while ago too. So pretty much everything on here I already had. I just got some little decor towels for the $9.99, and a lot of this stuff was just from I think these I got secondhand store, I believe. Yeah, so that is the table. So it's just gonna be fun to be able to like read out here. I put out like a little devotional book, a gardening book, and a few little napkins. So I'll just eat like breakfast, do some Bible time out here, reading, and dinners at night. So it's gonna be really nice. I can even host and have some friends over. So quickly, this is the little mini garden. So as we start, this is from Ikea, which I just loved. This was like $12, and then these little cans were only $7.99, or I'm sorry, 79 cents. And then these little white labels, those are from the dollar store, and I just use my label maker to label. So I've got dill, tomato, carnation, and daisy. And then this little guy, my aunt made that for me a couple of years ago, so I just kind of freshened it up and cleaned it up, and so I thought that was really cute. Over here I've got some spinach, and then I got this little sign from the dollar store. I thought it was cute. And then some gloves just to kind of for gardening, because your hands get gross. Down here I've got some impatiens, and then also just some Gerber daisies. So these Gerber daisies I got at Costco. So that is the patio. So it's just a fun little way to refresh the patio on a budget. I think I spent probably less than $50. I already had most of the stuff, so that's really nice. The seeds I actually got from the library. The library actually gives away a ton of seeds, so something to kind of think about if you're wanting to do some gardening. Check out your local library. A lot of times they actually do give those out for free, which is so fun. And that's what I did. I had a whole bunch from the library and just did plant quite a few of these little items. So yeah, I just thought I'd share just a quick and easy budget makeover of the patio, and ways and tips to help you decorate, enjoy spring, summer, relax, enjoy just having meals out on the patio, reading, and just time in the garden and watching things grow. It's actually so soothing and stress reducing. Gardening is really, really great for stress. So anyways, guys, glad you were here. If this was fun for you, put a comment down below. How are you going to enjoy spring and summer? What are you planting for the season? I would love to have you as a subscriber, and we will see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.